Okay, so part 2 was uploaded. This is part 2, actually. I gotta go back and change that. Anyway, this is part 2 right here. Part 2 is part 1. So this is part 2. The one that says part 1. It's gonna say part 1. Okay. It's gonna say part. I'm confused. I don't know. Watch whichever one you want. So we're done here. Okay. We got the whole fence that was surrounding all right here done. Okay. Now this is all that's left. This right here, I've been working on that, going all the way down right there. I think is this? Nope. Right about right there is where I've been digging the most. So we gotta go back and finish that. Oh yeah, I'm still recording. Gotta do this for my YouTube channel. People love to destroy things. Look, I ain't gonna do that right now. Anyway, just gonna move some logs. That's too hard with one hand. So we go over here. This right here, this is supposed to stay. This was there before the whole old chicken coop was there. Right here is where the new chicken coop's gonna be. Okay. So watch 3, 2, 1. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, over here, got this, and we're going to. I gotta pick this up. Dang, what did they use to put in here? Concrete? I got cut by the middle earlier, and the funny thing is, you can't even feel it when it cuts you. Ow, dang, I cut by a nail. Stabbed by a nail, actually. Okay. Hey Daniel, you wanna know how I caught that lawnmower on fire over there? I surrounded it with pine straw and lit it on fire. Yeah, covered it. But then
the whole damn thing on fire? What's on it? Here, got something about the finger walking towards the fire.
Hold me. I gotta film with my left hand.
Bye Sam, love you too. Good time with you.